to my channel. Today I'm going to make Gulab Jamun, and these are the ingredients what I have. 3 tablespoons butter ghee and 1 tablespoon baking powder. I've got elaichi 1.5 teaspoon and nutmeg 1.5 teaspoon. And this is a cream 1/4 cup, 1/2 cup dessert cream. This is 1/4 cup semolina, 2.5 cup self-raising flour, and 385 gram tin condensed milk. For the syrup, you need 2.5 cup sugar, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, and 1/2 liter water. To mix these dry ingredients in the bowl, it's a flour, and I'll add in the ghee. I have to mix it in the flour, this ghee, fluff it. Put the flour in the bowl and put the ghee in the flour and I rub it to breadcrumbs. I put in the semolina and the cream. You mix the semolina with the cream one side. I'm adding in the cream. I add in the nutmeg and also the baking powder. I'm adding the condensed milk. You have to mix it. You don't have to worry it's soft like this. You mix all in one. I leave this mixture to rest for half an hour. After half an hour, I'm going to dough the mixture. This is what you do. It be like this. It's so lovely. You take a small piece in your palm and you roll it like a ball, like this, and you flatten it like this, and you set it in the tray. You have to shape it like this. In the pot, to make the syrup in the pot, and I'll fry the Gulab Jamun. 1/2 liter water. Add in the sugar. And I'm putting 1 tablespoon fresh lemon juice. I'm adding in the ghee or oil. If you want, you can cook with the oil, but adding in the ghee. I'm going to fry this in the ghee. You have to have it low heat. You have to turn it with a fork so it doesn't break. If your mixture is right, your Gulab Jamun will crack like this. I'm checking the syrup. You have to let it get done. When you touch it here, it must be sticky. Gulab Jamun, you can roll it in coconut or you can have it plain. I'm going to put it in the sugar and roll some in the coconut. I'm going to put it in the syrup. And if you want, you can eat plain, but I'm going to roll it in the coconut. There's the coconut here. Thank you for watching. Enjoy.